Hey guys, a lot is happening at Bobcat Stadium these days, and it's not just the football team getting ready for the upcoming season. Construction crews are hard at work preparing the stadium for the Northside expansion, set to be completed by the 2012 home opener against Texas Tech. New ribbon and video boards went up as well, giving fans something else to look forward to in 2011. Even though the pictures don't show it, each video board is wider and taller, offering a better picture on highlights and replays. As far as the visiting locker rooms go, well, trailers just aren't that exciting. Anyway, you've seen pictures on my Twitter feed and at TexasStateSports.com, but I thought I'd do you one better. Here's some video that I took this morning at Bobcat Stadium.